In this video, I will show how to insert row or column in Microsoft Word document table. So we have this table and we need a row in this table. So right click on any row or last row where you need a new row, like I need a new row after fruit. So right click and insert. Then here is the option insert row below. So click here. So we have a new row. To get the border, select all, then here select all border. Similarly, if you need a column, so keep your cursor anywhere and insert, then insert column right. So this way we can add the row or column. If you need a new row after in middle, so right click and insert row above. Similarly, you can insert the column. So this is the way to add row or column in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.